What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy JD Live, man. I'm live in effect. Hey, y'all see the title of the video, man? I got a banger, man. How to make 2022 your best year yet, man. Give it up, man. We enter the new year, man. You blessed. If you enter 2022, you're blessed, man. A lot of people didn't get to enter 2022. That's already a blessing, man. Congratulations, man. But hey, let's get into it. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share this video to anybody out there that may want this tips and valuable information I'm about to give out, man. And let's get right into it. This is how to make 2022 your best year yet to date, man. This is how you do it, man. Listen, y'all. Number one, you need to cut out those friends, those toxic people, people that's putting you down, people that's not motivating you, people that's holding you back from achieving your dreams. Cut those people out of there, man. Y'all got to get rid of those toxic people. Get rid of that negative energy, people that don't want to grow in life, people that don't have a vision, don't have goals, that's always putting you down, that don't believe in you. Cut those people out of your life, man. You should have left them in 2021, man. And keep the people around you that's motivating you, that's positive, that want to do positive things, that want to grow, and that are just pushing you to be the best person that you can be, man. If you keep hanging around those people that ain't doing nothing with their life, that's always putting you down, that's always negative, that's always complaining, that's always comfortable, they ain't trying to grow, they ain't trying to succeed, you're going to be just where they at, man. Or even worse, you know what I'm saying? So you got to cut those people out of there, man. And it's okay, you know, like you might have to just get rid of them, man, or you have to take a break from them, just cut them out. I'm telling y'all, put the right people in your life and your life will become better for 2022. You will achieve your goals just by doing that. That's a big step. Number two, you have to start taking risks, man. We got to stop being comfortable, man. We got to start taking risks. We got to start getting out of our comfort zone and doing things that's going to make us better, man. Start taking those risks. Invest that money in that business. Invest that money in stocks, crypto, move to that new city, get that new apartment, get that new car, you know, go for that new job, you know, take risks, man. Like, take risks. No risk, no reward, man. Take that leap of faith, take that risk, do things that are uncomfortable for you. Because once you start doing the things that are uncomfortable for you, you'll start to become comfortable doing the things that's uncomfortable, and that creates growth. And that's why you're able to grow and reach new heights, because now you're willing to do things that makes you uncomfortable, but you're taking a risk, and that risk brings you reward. You know, you may fail, you may, you know, fall, but you can always get back up. No storm shall stay, man. All storms shall pass. You know what I mean? Like, always remember that, man. No storm is forever. They all go away eventually. You know what I mean? So just keep pushing. Number three, listen, y'all. Start reading some books, man. Start reading some books on anything you want to learn, any skill sets. You know, read books on things that interest you, that provide value, that you can learn from, that can, you know, help you grow. It could be something that's going to help you improve financially, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. Start reading things that's going to help better your life, man. Read books, man. Like, read a book a month. Read 4 books a year. You know, read 20 minutes, 30 minutes a day. Start baby steps, or even 10 minutes a day, baby steps. Do it every single day. Do it consistently. You know what I mean? Like, just gain that knowledge. Keep learning. Keep absorbing information. And then over time, your value starts to increase. You're going to start noticing that good things are going to start happening to you, because now you're knowledgeable. You know how to move. You're very calculated. You did your research. You did the groundwork. And now you're reaping the benefits by you consistently putting that work in and reading those books. You know what I mean? That's another thing. Number four, man, how to make 2022 the best year of your life, man, is you gotta have faith. You gotta believe in yourself, man. A lot of people do not believe in themselves. They don't believe that they can do the things that they set out for themselves to do. Y'all need to be writing out goals too. Get a whiteboard, write out some goals, and put it on your. I got goals. I've written out my personal goals on my whiteboard set for 2022. If you don't have goals, if you don't have a vision board, if you don't believe that you can achieve these goals, they won't happen for you. You won't achieve them. You got to believe in yourself. You got to have faith. Stop doubting yourself. Stop putting yourself down. Lift yourself up and be positive, man. When you're positive, positive things are going to start happening for you. But when you're negative, negative things are going to start happening for you. You're going to start playing victim. You're going to start blaming other people. Stop blaming other people. You know what I mean? Listen, start blaming yourself. You know, reward yourself when you do good. When you're slacking, you know, you might have to discipline yourself and make a sacrifice. You might have to stop watching TV for a week. You know, discipline yourself. You know what I mean? So that you'll grow and you'll want to get better. You know what I mean? That's how you're going to achieve those goals. That's how you're going to make 2022 the best year of your life. You know what I mean? It's by doing that. Let me think of another one, man. I'm going to add another one to the list. This is how to make 2022 the best year of your life. If you are liking this video so far, please hit the like button and comment down below if you really like this video, man. Because, listen, y'all, if y'all follow these right here, 2022 is going to be the best year of your life. Another one, man. Start traveling. Get out your comfort zone. It's part of it, you know, but start traveling. Start seeing new places. Go out the country. Go get you a passport. Experience the world. You know what I mean? Like, go out and go do different things, man. You know, go travel, go meet new people, go network. Get out your comfort zone by meeting new people and networking and traveling, seeing new things, experience new things. Save up some money to go take a trip for yourself. It can be by yourself or it can be with somebody else, but just explore, see new things, and that's going to open your mind. That's going to have you wondering and have you more ambitious to go after what you want. You know what I mean? Another thing, man, is take care of y'all health, man. Start working out. Go to the gym at least 3 to 5 times a week, man, or more, the better. You know what I mean? Work out. If you need motivation, get you a workout partner or get you a personal trainer. Hire a personal trainer that can motivate you and push you to work out, man. Take care of yourself, man. Health is wealth. It don't matter how much money you got. If your health isn't good enough, what's the point? What's the point of having $1 million if you sick and you unhealthy and you can't even spend the money because you don't feel well? Take care of yourself, man. Boost your immune system. Go work out. Go, you know, take care of your body, man. Because once you take care of your body, everything else is going to take care of itself. You know what I mean? Like, take care of yourself, man. No, another one, show gratitude. Be thankful for the things you already have. You know, show gratitude every day. Thank you for allowing me to wake up this morning. Just thankful for anything. Like, a lot of y'all are very blessed. A lot of y'all take things for granted. A lot of y'all don't realize the things that you have already in your possession that's very valuable, that a lot of people wish they had, man. So be appreciative of that, but always be hungry, always want more, and always believe in yourself and see that you can get more. But be grateful, have gratitude, man. You know what I mean? That's a big one too, right? There's so many different things, so many different ways to make 2022 the best year of y'all lives. I hope it is. You know, just keep pushing, keep being motivated, and make the year the best year of y'all life, man. That's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time. Peace.